Hey beautiful people, and today I'm sharing a game-changing tool that will revolutionize your video creation process. AI video generators have come a long way, cutting production time by up to 90%. Whether you're creating content for social media like Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube, or promo videos for your business, this tool can handle it all. After testing countless AI platforms, I realized that the one that truly stands out is Similar Video AI. It turns your script, article, or idea into a complete video with voiceovers, footage, subtitles, whatever you need. Ready to see how Similar Video AI can boost your content creation? Let's dive into it and I'll show you how it works. First, visit similarvideo.ai directly or click the link in the video description. After opening the website, you might be wondering, who can benefit from this AI tool? Well, this tool is particularly useful for marketers and content creators. Nowadays, everyone is utilizing platforms like Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. So, what features does this tool offer? It provides the following key features: video subtitle extractor, AI script writer, popular voice cloning, my personal favorite, text-to-video creation. This tool offers two main methods for creating videos: instantly cloning the style of any viral video that's already generating millions of views, using the text-to-video feature to create content from scratch. Now, let's dive into the details. Click on Start for free. By the way, you can try this tool with a 3-day free trial before deciding on a paid plan. After logging in, you will see a simple dashboard with two main options: Similar Video and Text to Video. Let's start with the Similar Video feature. For example, imagine you're a glasses manufacturer looking to promote AI glasses online. You found a viral short video on YouTube or another social media platform. Simply copy the video link. Next, go back to the Similar Video tool and click the Create Now button. Here, you'll paste the copied URL, or if you've already downloaded the video onto your PC, you can upload it. Then, type in your product or brand name, in this case, Smart Glasses. For better results, add a brief description, such as, "This video is about Meta AI glass." The last option is Media. If you'd like to include your own clips, click the plus button to upload your media files. Now, click on the Similar Script Rewrite button. This will extract the script from the viral video, optimize it, and provide a rewritten version. This process takes a few seconds. On the left side, you'll see the original script, and on the right, you'll see 3 customized script options. To get the best results, choose videos that have more extensive scripts. In my case, the video had only 3 lines of script. You can edit the script or select a different one. Make sure to review all options and choose the one you think is best. After selecting your script, click Next. Now, the fun part begins. On the left side of the screen, you'll find Visual Styles, where you can decide how you want to start your video. For instance, you could start with a hook, B-roll footage, or a celebrity avatar on screen. On the right side, you'll find a variety of celebrity clips and B-roll footage to choose from. In this case, I'll start with a hook and select a celebrity clip. After choosing, click the Generate button. This process takes a few seconds. In the final step, you can customize your video in the Scene section. Here, you can replace or add footage, adjust the music or vocal sounds, or generate new scenes automatically. Next, head over to Settings, where you can adjust the music volume and vocals and even replace the background music. Below this are the Caption settings, allowing you to customize the captions as needed. There's also a Translate option, where you can choose any language to target your audience. Finally, select Export Video. Choose your preferred resolution and click Export. That's it. Your first video is ready. Here's a demo of the final video.
The funniest part about using cool gadgets is, hold on, do I have my keys? Meta Smart Glasses AR voice assistant. Oh, there they are, perfect. What was I talking about again? Oh yeah, I'm not looking for my keys. I'm showing you my Meta Smart Glasses with Ray-Ban frames. Cool, right?
Let me show you another example before we dive into the text-to-video feature. This time, I'll use a motivational video clip. The process is the same as in the first example. Simply paste the link to any viral clip, then select the script style. For this video, I'll use the Begin with Viral Voiceover option. The rest of the process is straightforward. Just select your clips, background music, and caption style. Here is the second demo.
If you stay in bed, if you stay on the couch, if you stay in your comfort zone, if you only do what is easy, your life will be hard. But if you do what is hard, if you get up, if you grind, if you are relentless, if you work as hard as possible, when other people are slacking off, your life will be easy.
Now, let me show you the second feature, text to video. Click on text to video to get started. For this method, you'll need a script. In my case, I'm using ChatGPT to generate the script. But you can use any tool or hire a scriptwriter to create a viral script for your video or product promotion. Once you have the script, simply copy and paste it into the platform and click the next button. You'll notice that we're back on the settings page, just like in the first method. From here, select your video hook and the celebrity clip that best fits your video. In the next step, I recommend changing the scene clips according to your needs to create a more professional video. You can also select the background music that suits your video. Both methods are similar, with the only difference being the script creation process. After making these adjustments, simply export your video. Here's the demo.
Earth is filled with wonders, but some remain hidden from the world. Let's explore 5 secret places you've probably never heard of. First, the Sun Dun Cave in Vietnam. This massive underground wonder is so large it could fit a skyscraper, yet it remained undiscovered until 1991. Then there's Palawan's underground river in the Philippines, a hidden world beneath a tropical paradise where you can sail through majestic caverns. In Antarctica, the Blood Falls, a haunting red waterfall flowing from a glacier, continues to baffle scientists. Off the coast of Brazil lies Snake Island, a forbidden place swarming with one of the most venomous snakes on Earth. Finally, in Turkey, the underground city of Derinkuyu stretches 200 feet below the surface, once housing 20,000 people in secret for centuries. Hidden places, hidden stories, how many are still out there?
Before we wrap up, I encourage you to give similar video AI a try. You can test the tool for free and see if it meets your needs. If it does, then upgrading to a paid plan will definitely be worth it. But if it doesn't suit your requirements, there's no need to spend your money. Remember, always invest wisely in the tools that work best for you. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful content and tips. See you in the next video.